Grand Rising family. This is another early morning video for y'all. So this was on my mind and I just wanted to make sure I made this video before I got busy or got to doing stuff. So y'all get this video in the dark this morning. But what I want to talk to you about today is, how do you see yourself? How do you see yourself? On this journey, you need to make it your business to see yourself in your highest view. Your highest view. So one of the things that I've come to understand for me on this journey is that everything that God is, I am. And I tell you this morning, on December the 31st, 2019, as we enter into 2020, everything that God is, you are. Learn to walk in that. Learn to develop that. Learn to develop that mindset. Learn to think it. Learn to speak it. Everything that God is, I am. Is God in you? Everything that God is, you are. And if you can't answer that question, research it, understand it, learn who God is. Put words to it so when you say it, it begins to, you can walk in that with a better understanding. So when I say everything that God is, I am, God is everywhere at all times. So that means I'm everywhere at all times, which gives me the ability to affect any and every situation. God is all-knowing. Therefore, because God is all-knowing and God is in me, I am all-knowing, which again gives me the ability to affect each and every situation that is in my vortex, in my energy field. I can affect anything because all that God is, I am. God is all-knowing. God is omnipresent. God is everywhere at once. And I am too. So begin to look and understand who you are from your highest perspective. What is your highest point of view of yourself? And that's what you need to live. That's what you need to walk. And that's what you need to welcome into your life. Okay? So, again, I say grand rising. Go and prepare this day. Rise early and prepare this day. Set your intentions for your day. I love y'all. Peace and blessings.